Pesado Energy Services is a pipeline construction company. We specialize in new construction as well as maintenance projects in the oil and gas energy industry. Before ProntoForms, really it was a bulky process. It took a ton of time, and your return on investment was very little. We can't make a lot of money when someone's sitting in a room just looking at paper. So since being able to go into ProntoForms, we've really been able to improve that process. We have a job number request form. So upon being awarded a new job, the supervisor of the job will fill this form out. It will capture everything from the employees that are on the roster. It will also let us know what equipment's going to be on the job, the customer that we're going to be working for, the location, and it will also let us know a general idea of how much that job's going to cost. So it's really allowed for us to be able to operate better and collaborate better. So once this form's submitted, it's going to send to our accounting team so they start getting everything prepped for our billing cycle. It sends to our equipment manager so he's able to assign the different equipment to the job. Our HR team is notified of which employees are on the job, and then our safety operators will have an idea exactly of what position the person's doing, just so that we can ensure that they're properly qualified to be working for that customer. As soon as anyone hits send on any of our forms, our data analytics platform is able to pull that data in. And we're able to see in real time specifics in the business. We're able to measure key performance indicators, whether it's how much something costs, how much that costs on a certain job, or who's making that expense. We're able to see that in real time, and we're able to make better business decisions because we have that data. Having that data is the power for us to be able to do our job better tomorrow and down the road to be a more profitable business.
Each morning before we start the jobs, we sit down, we go over our job-specific instructions, and then we go over a daily safety meeting through our ProntoForms. We get the GPS coordinates put down, then we discuss what areas that we feel that needs the most important criteria to be safe on the job. We go over those, and then each employee signs off that we've discussed this, and then we send them through ProntoForms to the servers. In the field, we primarily use iOS devices, iPhones, iPads. I've found personally, in instructing people and teaching them how to use a tablet, that the iOS platform is the easiest to use. The iPads have really been enjoyable to use. They're very lightweight, they're very efficient, they're easy to navigate and go from screen to screen to each ProntoForm. They used to take the pictures for safety meetings. You just couldn't ask for a better product to use. Going with ProntoForms and being paperless probably saves me as much as an hour a day. And sometimes a lot of work at night that I did at home that I'd have to make up for it. Now I don't have to do this. I just take my phone out or my iPad, I input the Pronto. It takes very little time, maybe less than a minute just to put one form in. And on an average day, I'll do from 8 to 20 forms. As far as our return on investment in having used ProntoForms, we found a tremendous amount of savings as far as administrative labor. We were spending a ton of money on people just going through and doing our audit procedures, from safety to expense reporting. I've estimated that in the year 2015, we saved over $250,000 just in that area. Not to mention other areas of the business that have definitely helped us save a lot of money.